Hello students, I'm Reenu Verma and in today's video we'll cover four important figures of speech that are alliteration, tautology, repetition and assonance. So these are four figures of speech that actually confusing. People get confused in that they all are just repetition. Some of them is repetition of vowel, repetition of consonant, repetition of word. So now in this video we'll learn them one by one and make difference, how they are different from each other. Okay, so let me start. First one is alliteration. In alliteration, we have a repetition of the same letter or syllable at the beginning or end of two or more words. As after life's fitful fever, he sleeps well. After life's fitful fever, he sleeps well. So as you can see in this sentence, we have letter F more than one time. Life F, fitful 2 times F, fever F. So whenever we have a letter repeatedly, okay, it can be in starting, in mid or at end. Okay. So as we have studied in Hindi, चारू चंद की चंचल किरणें खेल रही हैं जल थल में. So यहाँ पर च की जो ध्वनि है, जो साउंड है, वो रिपीटेड है. सेम फॉर alliteration. In Hindi we call it अनुप्रास अलंकार. I hope this is clear to you. One more example. In summer season when soft was the sun. यहाँ पर एस साउंड जो है, एस वोवल जो है हमारा, वो रिपीटेडली आया है, मोर देन वन टाइम आया है. समर सीजन सॉफ्ट सन. ओके, आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू यू. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन. नेक्स्ट इज tautology. In tautology, we have repetition of the same idea. Repetition of the same idea in different words. Like, he is an extremely old man of 100 years. So here we are having same thing two times. Extremely old man and of 100 years. ठीक है, एक ही बात को हम दो बार कह रहे हैं in different words, in different clauses. Okay, so then we have tautology. Next, he rejoiced at the happy sight. Rejoiced बहुत खुश हुआ, at the happy sight, खुशी की जगह पे ही खुश हुआ, है ना. तो सेम थिंग we are asking, we are just saying two times in different words. I hope tautology is clear. Repetition of what? Repetition of idea. Same idea. Repetition of same idea in a sentence by using different words. I hope this is clear. Next, repetition. Figure of speech, repetition. A word is repeated many times for expressing intense feeling called repetition. यहाँ पर हम एक वर्ड को रिपीटेडली देखते हैं टू emphasize on that. किसी चीज को जब हम emphasize करना चाहते हैं, उसे हम highlight करना चाहते हैं, तो उसके लिए हम उस word को more than one time use करते हैं. That is called repetition. Oh dark, dark amid the blaze of moon. So here dark, dark, dark बार बार बोला गया है to make the emphasize. One more example. Alone, alone, all alone. यहाँ पर alone word को emphasize करने के लिए उसे repeatedly use किया गया है. In repetition, we have repetition of words, not sound, not letters, not idea. In tautology, we have repetition of idea. In alliteration, we have repetition of letters. While in repetition, we have repetition of words. Why do we repeat the words? हम वर्ड्स को रिपीट क्यों करते हैं? हम वर्ड्स को रिपीट इसलिए करते हैं बिकॉज वी वॉन्ट टू मेक हाईलाइट समथिंग. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वन. In assonance, we have repetition of vowel sound like dear, come, near and fear not. So dear, near and fear, these are just rhyming together. Okay, and because they are just having same vowel sound. So this is in this line the figure of a speech that is used, that is assonance. The morning was cold with bold statement. The morning was cold with bold statement. Bold, cold. They are rhyming together. They are having same vowel sound. So whenever in a line, in a sentence, we have more than one word that are rhyming together, that are having same vowel sound. So there the figure of speech that we have, that is assonance. I hope this is clear. So now we will do the practice. Okay, we'll take the few important questions just related to these figure of speech to make each and everything clear. How does assonance differ from alliteration? What is the difference between assonance and alliteration? So alliteration is the repetition of initial consonant sound in neighboring words, while assonance is repetition of vowel sound. Alliteration में हम एक repetition देखते हैं of consonant letter का, जिस consonant letter का repetition होता है in alliteration, while in assonance we have a repetition of vowel sound. Same rhyming words are used. Okay, I hope this is clear. Next question. What is repetition? So, as we know, repetition is a figure of speech in which words are repeated to make the idea clearer and more memorable. In this, we just use any word repeatedly or sometimes any phrase repeatedly to make the focus on a matter, to make focus on idea, to make just emphasize on anything. किसी भी चीज को हम हाईलाइट करने के लिए, एम्फेसाइज करने के लिए हम उस सेंटेंस में एक ही वर्ड को हाईलाइट करने के लिए उस वर्ड का या फिर उस फ्रेज का, जिस कपल ऑफ वर्ड का बार बार यूज करते हैं, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड रिपीटेशन. ओके. Which figure of speech has been used in given line? Work, work, work are the keys to success. Work, work and work are the keys to success. So here same word is being repeated more than one time to make focus, to make emphasization on any idea. So the figure of speech is रिपीटेशन. रिपीटेशन रिपीट करता है. किसको रिपीट करता है? वर्ड्स को, नॉट लेटर्स. इन इट वी हैव अ रिपीटेशन ऑफ वर्ड्स, ओके, नॉट लेटर. And why do we repeat the words in it? Whenever we want to use the repetition figure of speech, just we repeat the word again and again to make more emphasization, to make our idea clearer. I hope this is clear. Next question is, find out figure of speech in the given line. The line is, I went there at 8, 2 hours after 6. So the answer is tautology or pleonasm. Tautology is the repetition of idea. Same thing has been said into different sentence, into different words, into different clauses. So here I went there at 8. I went there at 8. मैं 8 बजे वहाँ गया. 2 hours after 6. 6 मतलब 6 बजने के 2 घंटे बाद मैं वहाँ पर गया. तो इस तरीके का फिगर ऑफ स्पीच हम अपनी डेली लाइफ में कई बार यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, मुझे किसी ने टाइम दिया कि मैं 6 बजे तक तुम्हारा ये काम कर दूंगा, तुम आ जाना, और वो काम मैं 8 बजे जाती हूँ वहाँ, कि 6 बजे उसने मेरा काम कर दिया होगा, नहीं तो 7 बजे कर दिया होगा. तो देन आई गो एट 8 टू हिज हाउस. सो देन I find he has not done the work. So then I'm going to say I came at 8. मैं तुम्हारे घर 8 आई हूँ. 2 hours after 6. उस टाइम के जो टाइम तुमने दिया था उसके भी 2 घंटे बाद आई हूँ. Okay, so this figure of speech, this type of figure of speech is called tautology. Tautology. In tautology we have repetition of idea. Last question is, break, break, break big boulders beside the river. Break, break, break big boulders beside the river. So here you have, just can see, repetition of consonant letter, that is B, 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 B. Okay, so the figure of speech is alliteration. ठीक है, alliteration में हम एक consonant letter को बार बार रिपीट करते हैं, like break, break, break big boulders beside. यहाँ पर जो B है वो बार बार रिपीट हो रहा है. So here we have a repetition of consonant letter, and there we have repetition of consonant letter. There the figure of speech that we have, that is alliteration. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.